Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to compare Monday.com and Jira. Both of these platforms help manage your projects, but they do it in different ways and are built for different kinds of teams. In this video, I'll look at their features, pricing, user interface, customer support, and more. By the end, you'll have a better idea of which one might work best for you and your team. So let's jump right in and break everything down in simple terms. First off, let's talk about Monday.com. Monday.com is a flexible work management tool that helps teams plan, track, and manage all their work in one place. It is used by a lot of different industries, from marketing and sales to software development and even construction. What makes Monday.com special is its high level of customization. You can set it up to work exactly how you want, whether you need a simple to-do list or a complex project timeline. The platform shows your tasks in different views like calendars, timelines, and Kanban boards, which makes it very visual and easy to understand. It is popular with teams that like to see their work in a colourful, clear, and organised way. Monday.com also works well with many other tools, so you can keep everything connected, and its automation features can help save you time on repetitive tasks. On the other hand, let's look at Jira. Jira is a project management tool made by Atlassian that is especially popular with software development and IT teams. It is known for its strong issue tracking and agile project management capabilities. Jira helps teams break down complex projects into smaller tasks, which make it easier to manage bugs, plan sprints, and track progress. It offers features like sprint planning, backlog management, and detailed reports that are very useful for teams that follow agile methods. While Jira is very powerful for technical work, it can be a bit tricky for those who are not used to managing technical projects. In short, if you are a developer, a QA tester, or someone who works on IT projects, Jira is built to give you the detailed control you need. Now, let's compare how the two platforms look and feel. Monday.com has a bright and modern interface and is designed to be easy and fun to use. The design is colourful and the layout is clean, which makes it simple to see all your tasks and deadlines at a glance. The drag and drop features make it easy to move tasks around on your board, and the various views like calendar and timeline help you see your project from different angles. Even though there are many customization options, the overall look remains friendly and inviting, which is great if you are new to project management software. In contrast, Jira's user interface is more focused on functionality than on looks. It shows a lot of detailed information on one screen, which is perfect if you need to see every little detail about your project. The dashboard is packed with data, and while this is great for tracking progress, it can feel a bit busy or overwhelming at first. The design is more straightforward and less colourful than Monday.com's, and it focuses on giving you the information you need quickly. For someone who is comfortable with a lot of details and technical data, Jira's interface works well, but if you prefer a simpler, more visual layout, you might find Monday.com easier to use. Next, let's dive into the main features of both Monday.com and Jira to see what each tool does best. Monday.com is all about flexibility and visual management. It lets you create your own workflows, which means you can build a system that works perfectly for your team. With a big library of templates, you can quickly set up everything from a simple task board to a detailed project timeline. One of the best things about Monday.com is its automation. You can set up rules to automatically change the status of a task or move it along your board without manual input. This saves a lot of time and helps reduce errors. Monday.com also offers real-time collaboration. Team members can update tasks, leave comments, and share files directly on the platform. This means everyone stays on the same page, and you don't have to worry about losing important details. The mobile app is another plus, allowing you to keep track of your work even when you're not at your desk. Plus, Monday.com has a wide range of integrations with tools like Slack, Zoom, and Google Drive, which means you can connect your work with the apps you already use. However, while these features are great, the many options and customization tools can sometimes take a little time to get used to. Turning to Jira, this tool is built for teams that need to manage complex projects with lots of moving parts, especially in the tech world. One of its strongest features is the ability to track issues and bugs in a detailed way. Jira lets you create tasks that can be assigned, prioritized, and tracked through different stages. It supports agile project management by offering Scrum and Kanban boards that help you plan sprints and manage backlogs effectively. With Jira, you can see exactly where each task stands and what needs to be done next, which is very important for technical projects. Jira also offers powerful reporting tools. You can generate detailed reports that show the progress of your project, how many issues have been resolved, and where there might be delays. This level of detail is especially useful for teams that need to analyze their workflow and improve over time. Additionally, Jira connects well with other development tools such as Bitbucket, Confluence, and GitHub, making it a great choice for teams that rely on a suite of Atlassian products. However, because of its depth and detailed approach, Jira can sometimes feel overwhelming if you're not used to technical project management. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. Pricing is an important part of choosing the right tool. So let's look at how Monday.com and Jira compare in this area. Monday.com offers 5 main pricing options. The free plan is $0 per month for up to 2 seats and works well for individuals who want a simple way to organize tasks. The basic plan is $9 per seat per month when billed annually. It is better suited for small teams, adding more storage and unlimited items. The standard plan costs $12 per seat per month and introduces timeline and calendar views, plus limited automations and integrations. At 19 months per seat per month, the Pro plan provides private boards, time tracking, and higher automation limits, making it a strong fit for growing businesses. Finally, Monday.com's Enterprise plan has custom pricing and is tailored for larger organizations requiring advanced security, governance, and premium support. Jira, on the other hand, comes with 4 primary tiers. Its free plan costs $0 per month for up to 10 users and is ideal for individuals or small teams just starting out. The standard plan runs around $7.53 per user per month and expands on storage, automation, and support features. For about $13.53 per user per month, the premium plan unlocks AI-based content creation, cross-team planning, and unlimited storage, catering to more complex projects. Finally, Jira's Enterprise plan has custom annual pricing aimed at large companies that need enterprise-grade identity management, advanced security, and the highest SLA coverage. Next, let's talk about customer support. Good support can make a big difference when you're trying to get the most out of a tool. Monday.com offers a strong support system that includes a detailed help center, community forums, and email support. If you're on a higher tier plan, you could even get priority support, which means your issues are resolved faster. Monday.com also has lots of video tutorials and webinars to help you learn how to use the tool better. This makes it a great option for teams that might need a little extra help as they get started. Jira also provides support, but it takes a different approach. It relies on extensive online documentation and community forums where you can ask questions and share tips with other users. They offer email support as well, though phone support is not available. Because Jira is used by many technical teams, its support system is designed to help with very detailed and complex issues. While this works well for experienced users, those who are new to technical project management might find it a bit challenging at first. So, which one should you choose? The answer depends on your team's needs and the type of projects you work on. If you're looking for a tool that is visually appealing, easy to set up, and works well for a wide range of industries, then Monday.com might be a better choice for you. It's great for creative teams, marketing projects, and any work that benefits from clear, colorful display of tasks and deadlines. Monday.com is all about flexibility and ease of use, so it's perfect if you want a tool that you can quickly adapt to your way of working. On the other hand, if you are part of a software development or IT team that needs very detailed tracking, agile project management, and strong reporting tools, Jira is likely the better option. Jira is designed for technical projects where every detail matters, even though it may take a bit more time to learn. Its powerful features and deep integrations with other development tools make it a great fit if you need to manage bugs, sprints, and backlogs with precision. And that's it for today's comparison. I hope this video has helped you understand the differences between Monday.com and Jira in a clear and simple way. If you enjoyed this breakdown and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy to follow SaaS reviews. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with these tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.